Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI and how it can totally transform your dropshipping business. Like, seriously, get ready to be amazed. We're talking about saving time, ditching the stress, and watching those profits soar. If you're tired of feeling chained to your laptop, constantly working on your store, and not seeing the results you want, this one's for you. AI is here to change the game. So grab your iced coffee, get comfy, and let's unlock the secrets of AI-powered dropshipping together. Okay, so, branding is like the heart and soul of your dropshipping store, right? It's what makes you stand out from the crowd and attracts all the right customers. But designing a killer logo and keeping your brand looking sharp, that can be a total time suck. Tools like Looker are about to become your secret weapon. Seriously, it's like having a personal designer on speed dial, but way less expensive. You literally just type in your store name, pick the vibe you're going for, minimalist, bold, whatever, and boom! Looker hits you with a bunch of logo options that are actually good, like scarily good. And the best part? You can tweak them to your heart's content. Fonts, colors, icons, you name it. It's customization on another level. But wait, there's more. Looker also creates a whole brand kit for you, which is basically a cheat sheet for your brand's look and feel. It's got your logo, your color palette, your fonts, everything you need to keep things consistent and looking professional. No more design disasters. Let's be real. Writing product descriptions is the definition of tedious. But guess what? You don't have to do it anymore. AI is here to save the day and your sanity. Tools like Copy.ai and Jasper AI are about to become your new copywriting besties. Seriously, they're like magic. You just feed them some basic info about your product, and they spit out these amazing, engaging descriptions that would make even the most skeptical shopper click add to cart. No more staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with the perfect words. AI will do it for you, and it'll do it better. Think about it. AI can analyze tons of data to figure out what kind of language actually converts. It knows what words make people want to buy, and it uses them strategically. Plus, it can optimize your product titles and bullet points to highlight all the juicy details that make your product irresistible. It's like having a marketing guru whispering copywriting secrets in your ear. Okay, let's talk marketing. The key to actually making those dropshipping dreams come true. But who has the time or the energy to become a marketing master when you're juggling a million other things? Don't worry, AI's got you. Tools like AdCreative.ai are here to take your marketing game from 0 to 100 real quick. We're talking attention-grabbing Facebook and Instagram ads that actually convert. Imagine this. You type in some basic info about your product and your target audience, and AdCreative.ai whips up these incredible ad creatives that are practically guaranteed to stop people mid-scroll. Like they won't even be able to resist clicking. But it's not just about pretty pictures. AI also writes the copy for you, and it's not just any copy. It's persuasive, it's engaging, and it's tailored to your specific audience. It's like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips, but way less expensive and demanding. Let's be real. Dealing with customer inquiries can be a full-time job in itself. Answering the same questions over and over, processing orders, tracking shipments, it's enough to make you want to pull your hair out. But hold on to your hair, because AI is here to rescue you from customer service chaos. AI-powered chatbots are about to become your new best friends. I'm talking about tools like Tidio, or even ChatGPT-powered bots that are so smart, they'll make you think you've hired a whole team of support agents. These bots can handle all those repetitive tasks that eat up your time. They can answer frequently asked questions, provide order updates, track shipments, you name it, they can do it. And the best part? They can do it 24/7, so you can actually sleep at night and enjoy your life without worrying about your inbox exploding. Okay, let's talk about the holy grail of dropshipping, finding those winning products that are going to make you bank. But with new products popping up every 5 seconds, it's hard to know where to even start. Don't worry, AI is here to be your personal product sourcing guru. Tools like Sell the Trend or Ecom Hunt are like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of e-commerce. They use the power of AI to analyze trends, predict demand, and basically tell you what's going to be hot before it's even a thing. No more guessing games, no more risky investments, just data-driven insights that help you make smart decisions and choose products that are actually going to sell. Imagine this. You log in to Sell the Trend, and it shows you a list of products that are about to explode in popularity. It even tells you where to source them, how much to price them, and how to market them. It's like having a cheat code for dropshipping success. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways AI can totally revolutionize your dropshipping business in 2025. From branding and copywriting to marketing and customer support, AI can automate those boring tasks, give you back your precious time, and help you rake in those profits. If you're ready to take your dropshipping game to the next level and finally achieve the freedom and flexibility you've been dreaming of, check out the links in the description for all the AI tools I mentioned and more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.